Once upon a time in the wild, wild west, anarchy reigned supreme. And people were losing hope in institutions, back then corrupted to the bone.
We're in Colorado, heading to Utah.
The seasons change quick as the snow-covered mountains transition to vast desert highways, all en route to Moab, the land of many arches.
Hear the devil calling.
Climbing up delicate arches, getting to the top before sunset. Gonna have a nice view. Hopefully I don't fall any more times. Yikes.
I can't stop the dogs of war.
I think we can make it. Delicate Arch is just around this bend. And Delicate Arch is just the beginning.
No, I'm just getting warmed up.
Heart of a lion, fire inside me blaze like a siren. Why would you try it? Wake up the beast, no I can't keep silent. I put my time in, now it's my time, your time is expiring. Blood, sweat and tears, I conquered my fears, I'm ready to fly now. I am the pilot, I am so polished, usually modest, but when is the last time?
It's number 4.
It's stylish without a stylist, huh? It's been a long time, I've been on this road, I'm wrecking my mileage, huh?
Ready for a climb? Let's go. Yes.
Hands in the crowd, we tearing it down. Get loud for me. Get loud for me. Get loud for me. Hands in the crowd, we tearing it down. Get loud for me. Heart of a lion, fire inside me. Get loud for me.
6 and 7.
6
and
and
we're done. So Brian, what's been your favorite arch so far?
Navajo Arch.
Navajo Arch. Ed?
Landscape.
Landscape Arch.
My whole life to see it. I changed my answer.
Whole life.
Change your answer?
Brian's changed his answer.
The one that we just drove up off the road and we just got out and we didn't have to walk very far.
What was that one? Oh,
It doesn't matter. It was the best one.
But these formations were about to get a lot bigger.
I was sitting in the thirsty devil, one sheet hung to the wind, when the batwing doors creaked open and a stranger sauntered in. He moved his head from side to side and glared with a sunken eye. I heard the spin
It's Ben Boy.
as he shook off the dreary night. In a voice as thick as mud, he looked at the keep and said, "One shot of whiskey for myself, and one for my new friend." Patrons whispered hushed hello, they seemed to be afraid, as if a ghost had stood right up and walked out of its
The tallest arch we've seen.
shallow and dirty, his skin like leather hide. Sure spoke like any man, but something wasn't right. So I twisted on my stool and turned to him and said, "Thanks, sir, but just..."
When we got Brian to do this.
God, why did you convince me to do that?
Oh, did you get sitting on you?
Stop number 1.
Dead Horse State Park. Thing of beauty. Welcome to Canyonlands. Mesa Arch, checking it in. You're caving it up, man. Island in the sky.
From that vantage point, we look down to see the most treacherous of winding dirt roads. If we can get down this ledge, this path will take us all the way back to town. It's on.
Can't believe we were just hiking up there.
So on the way back, we followed this river, and my brother totally got me back for the sand thing.
Brian called me out. I gotta go jump in this water because there's never a body of water that I don't jump in. This is a stupid idea. Oh my gosh, this is so cold. All right, I'm going under. Go swimming.
Was it worth it?
Totally worth it. That's Arches National Park in Canyonland.
2 places we just checked off my dad's national park bucket list. Stay tuned for the next.
I will